Yeah, I can fly.
At first glance, you'd swear this was Alaska, or even Antarctica. A massive body of water, sheathed in ice, stretching for miles. The icy surface appears as a modern artist's canvas. Mysterious holes, almost perfectly circular. Abstract patterns of air bubbles frozen mid-motion. Reflections of sunset on fractured sheets. But the natural beauty of these scenes is not from some exotic, remote location at the end of the earth. This is just 20 miles from Manhattan. This is the Hudson River after one of the coldest January stretches in recent memory. A river that actually flows both north and south, depending on the tide. The mile-long Piermont Pier, jutting from the shore, slows the tidal currents, creating a frozen basin. But this close to America's largest city and economic center, even when the river freezes, commerce doesn't. Icebreaker ships have been working tirelessly to fragment the ice and open the shipping lanes. And as you can see, these boat captains have been successful in their endeavor. The juxtaposition of this rare natural occurrence and humankind's influence has made for a true visual spectacle not often seen in this part of the world. The pier itself is a tourist's and sightseer's dream. At the end, one can take in majestic views of the Mario M. Cuomo Bridge, formerly known as the Tappan Bridge to the north, a superstructure stretching nearly 3 miles across one of the river's widest points. To the south, the frozen river leads your eye toward the towering Palisades, and beyond them, the faint silhouette of Manhattan. People aren't the only ones enjoying this phenomenon. Seagulls and even bald eagles have been spotted enjoying the isolation of the ice floes, safe from predators and closer to their prey. In brackish water, such as on the Hudson, organic material can release gas pockets, which rise as pressure builds. Thinner spots on the ice often melt or rupture, forming these clean, circular holes in an otherwise solid sheet of ice. Along jetties, fragments can lift up, forming jagged outcroppings in a line of broken ice. As the drone orbits the pier, the true scope of this remarkable setting becomes apparent, with the elevated vantage point enhancing its grandeur. Finally, As you take in the remaining footage, if this type of content floats your boat, see what I did there? Please feel free to like and subscribe. Your support goes a long way towards supporting the channel. And if you enjoy breathtaking sunsets, please check out the 707 mark. This is one of my best ones yet.